How to make your camping trip the best one yet. Have you been thinking about going camping for a long time now? What has been holding you back? Is it the lack of knowledge? Well, go ahead and watch this video so that you know what it takes to enjoy yourself on a nice weekend camping trip with the whole family. A good multi-purpose tool needs to be part of your camping gear. There are two kinds to bring. First is the saw/hammer/axe 3-in-1 tool to use for firewood and other chores. The other is the standard multi-purpose tool with a variety of tools on it like a can opener, tweezers, scissors, and a knife. Purchase a quality tent. It can be tempting to score a good deal on a tent, but you want to find something that can hold both you, your family members, and your belongings. Try visiting a store that specializes in outdoor gear. They tend to have well-made products that will last for a while. Bring a plastic garbage bag and put all of your family's dirty laundry in it. This keeps the items from mixing in with your clean clothing. It also makes things convenient for you when you return home. You can simply dump out the bag in your washing machine and begin working on it all immediately. When you decide to go camping, you want to make sure that you bring a flashlight with some batteries. You want to be able to see in the middle of the night just in case you have to get up and go to the bathroom, or just to move around. Make sure that you avoid any venomous plants. A good way to do this is to stop at the ranger station and ask what kinds of poisonous plants are in the area so you can identify them if you come into contact with them on the trail. Never eat anything while hiking on the trail if you do not know it is edible. Make sure you have a survival kit with you during your entire camping trip. A survival kit should consist of matches, first aid necessities, a flare gun, and a knife. This kit may keep you alive if you are lost, and these items are indispensable for a survival situation. Be sure to bring it with you whenever you leave your campsite. You and your family are in for many good times ahead. Once you take the whole family out to go camping, it will make you want to go camping all the time. This is a good thing for you guys, because the outdoors is always a good experience to live through. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pen today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed, for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.